Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam, and on the right side, we have the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. Let's dive right into it and see which product comes out on top. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam comes in at $199, while the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is available for just $29. Whoa, that's a huge difference. But remember, price isn't everything, so let's move on to the next category. Now let's talk about the features. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam is a dual-lens camera, capturing both the road front and the inside of your car. It records in crystal-clear 1080p resolution and even has infrared night vision for those dark rides. Plus, it has a 24-hour parking mode and looping recording for your peace of mind. On the other hand, the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is a new upgrade with a USB-C power supply. It offers 24 hours of surveillance, even when your car is turned off. With its wide compatibility, it can work with various car models and devices like dash cams, GPS navigators, and radar detectors. Now let's talk about the installation process. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam is designed to be easy to install and use. It works with both 12 volts and 24 volts vehicles, making it suitable for most drivers. On the other hand, the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers simple hidden wiring, keeping your car neat and tidy. It even frees up your cigarette lighter for other devices. Just make sure to read the quick guide carefully before use. When it comes to performance, the Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam shines with its dual-lens setup, capturing both the road and the inside of your car. With its high-quality video and audio recording, it's a reliable witness for accidents and insurance claims. Plus, the optional GPS feature allows you to track your driving route, location, and speed. Meanwhile, the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit ensures a stable and uninterrupted power supply to your dash cam. It even has built-in safeguards to protect your devices against excessive current and overheating. That's some serious peace of mind. While the Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam offers incredible features and performance, the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit stands out with its affordable price and wide compatibility. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam and the Plozoe Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. So make sure to consider your budget, desired features, and installation requirements before making your final decision. Stay tuned for more comparisons and reviews on Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter.